Free driver education to help you ace your driving test. Trubicars.
So hi, this is John from Trubicars, and today I want to just a quick video here on a roadside or emergency stop. Okay, so roadside or emergency stop might be something that you would do, let's say, if you thought maybe you had a flat tire. So pretty simple. This is on your second road test, the road test to get your G license. I'm going to signal to the right. I'm going to check my mirror. I'm going to check my blind spot to the right, make sure it's safe. I'm going to pull the car over to the curb. I'm going to come to a complete stop. I'm going to put the car in park, put my emergency brake on, and activate my four-way flashers. Okay? And I have to make sure that I do the same thing just in reverse. So to leave, I'm going to turn my four-way flashers off, take my emergency brake off. Car's going to go into drive, and I'm going to signal and leave. Okay? Just make sure that I check my blind spot before I go, and that would be it. All right, this is John from Trubicars. Drive safe.